Finally, this evening, the South African rand remained stable during Tuesday's trading after a purchasing managers index report indicated stabilization in the private sector for April. Earlier in the day, the rand traded at 18.25 against the dollar, unchanged from Monday. Moreover, the dollar was about 0.4% weaker against other currencies amid concerns over President Trump's tariff threats. Meanwhile, attention will shift to the Federal Reserve's policy decision on Wednesday. On the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed lower in the negative territory, while Resources 10 and Industrial 25 sectors saw gains. Market expert Kabelo Tula shares more insights on the market's performance.
The week is coming into sharp contrast at this particular point as we look forward to some key data out of China on Friday. We've got trade data, their imports, exports, and on Wednesday we've got the Federal Reserve Chairman speaking and giving an interest rate decision on the US economy. But bringing it back home locally here, markets here and internationally starting to price in these two major risk events in the light of the trade tensions that exist globally. The all-share index is down 0.3% to 0.4 at this particular point, led lower by the likes of your financials, which are down 1.6, including your industrials, which are down 0.31%. Some key names, Richmond down 1.2, as well as Old Mutual down 2.2 at this particular point. Moving over to your currency, the rand is holding quite steady at this point at 18 Rand 24. We know last week it had traded as high as 18 Rand 50, 1860. So really on the front foot, and this can be attributed to the strength certainly in some of the commodities, not least of which is gold, which has shot up another $100 an ounce. That is currently trading at $3,396 a fine ounce. Gold, I beg your pardon, oil is also firmer at this point, which doesn't bode well for us. That is trading at $62.27 a barrel. So an interesting week up ahead as we see how the markets play out.